Imagine a sky full of blazing, fast-moving meteors ripping across the darkness, right above your head. On the night of Monday the 17th of November into early Tuesday, the legendary Leonid Meteor Shower returns, and this year's conditions might make it one of the best in years. But there's one more. We'll also cover how to spot them, where to go, and 2 wild space facts you won't expect. Let's dive in. The Leonids are an annual meteor shower named after the constellation Leo because the meteors appear to radiate from that region of the sky. The 2025 Leonids peak on the night of November the 17th, Monday, to the early hours of November the 18th. Expect 10 to 50 meteors per hour under the dark skies. These meteors are fast, entering Earth's atmosphere at about 70 kilometers an hour. Even though this won't be a meteor storm with hundreds per hour, the combination of speed, dark skies and good conditions means it will still feel spectacular. So if you've got 30 minutes and a dark sky this week, you'll want to be out. Stay tuned for how to make the most of it. Why this year's sky show is extra special. Not all meteor showers are created equal. Moonlight and light pollution often rob the show. This year, the moon will be a warning crescent and rises very late, so the peak hours will enjoy minimal moonlight interference. The best hours are after midnight and into the early morning, when the radiant of Leo climbs higher. The shower is visible in both hemispheres, though the northern hemisphere viewers might have a better view of this. For many skywatchers, this means finding a meteor shower where you can actually see the streaks clearly, not just a few faint ones. Ready your blankets and hot drinks. We'll show you exactly how next to set up. How to watch the Leonids like a pro. Watching meteors isn't about just pointing to the sky. Preparation matters. So find a dark location far from city lights and a wide open sky. No obstructing trees or buildings. Lie back so you can take in as much of the sky as possible. Give your eyes 20 to 30 minutes to adjust to the darkness. Once you're dark adapted, you'll catch more. Use warm layers, a deck chair or blanket, and maybe get a hot drink, because the hours will be late and chilly. Following these steps will dramatically increase what you see. Instead of catching 1 or 2 meteors, you might spot a dozen in an hour. And what if you got a camera? Hang on for the next segment. For those ready to go beyond passive viewing, photography brings a new dimension. Although telescopes and binoculars are not required, using a wide-angle camera on a tripod helps capture these meteors. You'll need to set your camera to long exposure, pointing towards an open sky from bright lights. Meteors from the Leonids can leave trails or earth grazers that linger for seconds because of their speed and angle. Getting a photo of a meteor streak makes the experience share-worthy, extending your session and giving other people FOMO. If you're still with us, we're about to go global with the shower. See how it looks around the world. Although the radiant is in Leo, the meteors can appear anywhere in the sky. The radiant, the source in the sky, this lies within the constellation of Leo, which rises in the east after midnight. But meteors can streak across all parts of the sky, so you don't need to stare only at Leo. Even though no major outbursts are expected in 2025, past Leonids have produced storms of thousands per hour. The legacy adds excitement. Whether you're in the UK, Europe, the US or anywhere else, if you're under dark skies within the right window, you're in with a chance. One final tip before we wrap up, it might change everything. So, your checklist. So here's your checklist. Monday night the 17th of November into the early hours of Tuesday morning of the 18th. You'll need a dark open sky away from the city lights. Lie back, give your eyes time to adjust. What to expect? Around 10 to 15 meteors per hour in ideal conditions. Maybe more if you've got superb skies. Next time you're caught scrolling thinking, just another meteor shower, remember this. You could be lying under thousands of years of cosmic dust, burning above 70 kilometers an hour. Now that changes your perspective. If you grab a photo, share it online and at me in the comments. Let me know what you thought of this. Are you going to try and capture Leonid's meteor shower on the 17th of November? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. On the 7th of December, I'm giving away a full tray of Labubus. All you need to do to win is subscribe and like, comment and share the video. The winner will be announced on the 7th of December. Good luck.